Good morning, students. Myself, UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Monidi Dhanbad. Today, we will going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 16 of class 7. Water, a precious resource. Okay. Uh, Before we start the chapter, there's a slogan mentioned here, which is in Hindi. Jal hai to kal hai. That means when water is there, tomorrow is there. Okay. So water is an important resource, okay, without which um, life cannot sustain in our earth. Okay, we need water for various purposes. Without water we cannot imagine our life. Okay, though water is a renewable resource, it cannot be exhausted, but still the reckless and irresponsible use of water has led to the decline of water reserves. Okay, now what is the root cause of the, what you can say, scarcity of water? First of all, the rapid urbanization without any planning, reckless use of water has led to the reduction in the water reserve, which includes the groundwater as well as water in the rivers and lakes. Okay, so how can we possibly save water? Okay, there need to be a there need to be a process or system. Okay, now first of all, just look upon the some few instances, or you can say we use water in day-to-day life. We use water for cooking, bathing, washing. Okay, and the most part is for irrigation. Now just imagine about 1 kg of rice. 1 kg of rice needs approximately 5,000 to 6,000 liters of water. That means the double amount of water that is actually present in a water tank, in a typical household water tank. Okay, so if we continue to waste water or reckless use, then how can we possibly imagine life on earth? Because food is also grown by the help of water, because without irrigation agriculture cannot take place. Okay, some places such as deserts areas which have water scarcity, some places have surplus water, some places have water scarcity. Though nowadays many places including our city is facing water scarcity. Actually the groundwater reserve of many cities in the country has declined. For example, in Chennai it is almost exhausted. In many places including our city, the 50% of the groundwater has been exhausted. That doesn't mean that it cannot be recharged, although I have mentioned already that the water is renewable resources. We need to use them in a, what you can say, in a proper manner, so that allowing it to get recharged. Okay, so you have to use it properly. Okay, so that water reserve can, what you can say, cannot replenishes. So in the latter part of the chapter we will study about the different methods that are used to conserve water. Okay, after you get the video, link will be open for the class group will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.